I just lost my funding 2 weeks before the closing. Can you help me? Yikes.
Well, yeah, we get that call. Unfortunately, we get that call frequently.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, I guess in any industry, there are a lot of people that aren't really very good at what they do. So there's a lot of people, we get the call probably once a week, maybe every other week, where someone is at the 11th hour and suddenly they're about to close and the lender has left them high and dry. So if you've lost your funding, we can move really quickly. It requires you to do a hell of a lot of work because for us to move quick, you got to move quick. But we have literally closed loans in 48 hours. It's not what we like to do.
Wow,
you will
I can't
pay.
believe 48 hours.
And if we have to close in 48 hours, an emergency on your part costs you a little bit more because we have to obviously move business around and move our schedule around. But at the end of the day, if you need to close in 48 hours, we can do it.
That's amazing. Oh my gosh. I had no idea you could be that fast.
I don't like doing it, but we can do it.
Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Please go ahead and fill out the section below with your questions. And who knows, you may have them answered by Chief Denney on our next programming.
Thank you for joining us.